What if you suddenly realized you were losing money every day? Even if it was just $10 per day, would finding that leak be a huge priority for you? Of course it would. No one likes losing money. The fact is, the majority of working Americans has a leak in their pocketbook, and they don't even know it. And unfortunately, there's a good chance you're one of them. Surprised? What may be more surprising is where those lost dollars are going. According to the IRS, nearly 80% of all working Americans overpay their taxes, and 50% of them even use a tax professional to prepare their tax return. Yep, those lost dollars are being donated unknowingly and probably unwillingly to the National Treasury. Right about now, you may be wondering, how do I stop the leak? You maximize your tax deductions. If you are self-employed or have a small business on the side, you're exactly where you need to be. If not, you might want to consider starting one. Either way, this message is for you. Once you discover the power of using tax deductions the way they were designed to be used, and the ease with which you can do it, you can start putting more of what you earn back into your pocket. Between newly discovered business deductions you may not have been taking, and the select personal expenses that can now be converted to business use, the tax savings can be as much as $200 to $600 or more per month. That's no small change, so think about it. If you're in business for yourself, there's a good chance you're still overpaying your taxes. 7 out of 9 returns fail to take all of the valuable deductions they're eligible for, and that's with the help of a tax professional. So, what happens every year? Business receipts get tossed in a pile on the dresser, stuffed in envelopes, or thrown in the proverbial shoebox. You know you need to sit down and record them, but it's a hassle, it takes time, and it isn't fun. Procrastination turns into forgetfulness, and before you know it, it's December, and the mad scramble to track, organize, and record those all-important business expenses and deductions begins. That is a recipe for lost dollars, and it happens to millions of Americans every year. How do you overcome procrastination and disorganization? Well, that's where it gets a little tricky. It's human nature. So that's why we say, let us help you. We are Deductr. Deductr takes procrastination and disorganization out of the equation, because with Deductr, every business expense is tracked automatically at the point of sale. Swipe your debit card for office supplies, it's recorded. Swipe your credit card to pay for your business lunch, it's recorded. Write a check for that office lease, it's recorded. No putting it off, no forgetting, no hassle. In fact, Deductr reminds you when expenses are saved in your Deductr account. At your leisure, you log in, confirm business-related expenses, or remove any that were personal. Add mileage associated with any expense, assign it a category, and save. Done. Deductr then creates 10 different business and tax reports, updated as income and expenses are tracked and recorded through the year, including the year-end tax report, formatted exactly how your tax professional would want to see it. Hours of tedious bookkeeping reduced to minutes a month. Deductr's automatic tracking feature can help ensure you never lose another tax deduction. You can even track your business mileage via the GPS function on your smartphone using the free iPhone or Android phone apps. Deductr is so easy to use. It's web-based, meaning you can access your account on any computer with internet access. It's mobile and it's automatic. One more thing. Since the government expects you to try and make a profit with your business, it also expects you to invest adequate time and activity to do so. Deductr tracks that too. Why is that important? If you're not tracking the time and activity you spend working your business, you risk having your business classified as a hobby. If that happens, most of your deductions disappear. Deductr will save you hundreds of dollars every month, many times the monthly subscription price. In fact, we guarantee you'll save at least 5 times the monthly fee each and every month, or your money back. No questions asked. Stop the leak and start putting thousands of dollars back in your pocket every year. Get Deductr today and watch the tax savings grow. We'll even show you how much you're saving on your taxes every month with our patent-pending Blue Bar. You work hard for your money, and you have a legal right to keep as much of it as possible. Let Deductr help you take advantage of every legal deduction you deserve. Start recording deductions automatically today.